Hey guys, how you doing? This is Ayush here back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you an HP Lightbook 8460p running Windows 10, Prime OS and Phoenix OS on a single hard disk. And guys, this is not a tutorial video. In case you are interested in the tutorial video, then please let me know down in the comment section. I will try to make a video as soon as possible. Watch this video till the end. If you play PUBG a lot, because I'm going to show you which OS is better or the best for playing PUBG. PUBG runs smoothly on Prime OS, and guys, but after the update of 0.4.0, DECAPRIO mapping does not work properly, so you can't play PUBG on Prime OS. I'm looking for a workaround. I hope I'll find it soon. If you wanna play PUBG, then you should use Phoenix OS because the key mapping tool is excellent and the game also runs smoothly. So the best OS to play PUBG right now is the Phoenix OS.